Today I'm going to show you how to replace the core coil. First, you want to unscrew this 510 pin at the bottom. There's a ceramic spacer around that 510 pin. It's pretty delicate, so whenever you tighten that 510 pin, just be sure to hand tighten it, never like with too much force. So next we're going to unscrew this hex screw. It's a 1.5 millimeter. You should have a little tool that came with it, and that's what keeps the heater wire fastened down, one of the heater wires, and then we have another screw on this side that keeps the other one. And all together the coil is 3 screws: that 510 pin brass screw, this hex screw, and the other hex screw. So once you have that taken apart, you'll be able to pop out the heater cup. That's the V5 heater cup. So this is a ceramic spacer. We call that the T-bar spacer, and this is the metal positive post block. Pretty much this is everything that makes up the core. So when you put it back together, you're going to put that ceramic spacer back in, and you're going to put the 510 pin in, but not screw it all the way in until you put that metal bar in, and then screw that metal bar, and that's what the 510 pin screws into, and it kind of just keeps that fastened down. Next, you're going to kind of get this 510, the wires lined up with those screw holes, and you're going to push that in. Got to get it in there, and just kind of make sure it's lined up before you screw these screws back in. And once you do that, should be pretty easy, and the piece should work really well. If anything goes wrong, usually it's those wires breaking off of the heater cup, or the heater cup itself is cracked. You can tell because it leaks from the bottom. This coil still works, so I'll just do a burn off cleaning and everything should be good to go. Take care.